Hey guys, as promised, today I'm going to show you how to mount the Volkswagen original accessory cargo box for the original accessory roof racks on my Passat. This is the cargo box that I purchased. The model number is VW340. This is the smaller version. It's not painted. It has a matte finish, but because I use the protectant. This protectant from turtle wax for plastics. It looks really shiny. I really like it. Has two locking mechanisms and two pins and two hinges on the other side. So because that's the front of the box, this is the back of the box. It opens actually from the right side of the vehicle. Initially I thought, oh, maybe they give me the wrong box. This was meant to be for UK markets, but actually then I realized it makes sense because when you want to open the box, you don't want to open it from the driver's side, you want to open it from the passenger side. For example, if you are stopped on the side of the road, so you don't hit by the oncoming traffic. These are the dimensions of the box in centimeters for the model that I have, VW340, 190 centimeters long, 75 centimeters wide and 39 centimeters height. The 340 liters. It weighs 13 kilograms and the max loading capacity is 50 kilograms. For the total is 63. My racks are rated for up to 100 kilograms. The set comes with 2 keys and 8 brackets with bolts. These butterflies with nuts and some extra straps which are inside the box as of now. First of all, I have to remove those gaskets because I have to insert those pins. These are used to reduce the road noise. Then I'm going to use this, send into those channels. Actually they are different. I have 4 with the plate and 4 without the plate, just regular bolts. So I'm going to install 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Pretty much I use the same system to mount it on the wall. I have 2 locks here. Put them up. 1, 2. I have 2 pins here which I have to press. 1, 2, and then the box will open. And from the inside, see, I have 4 bolts. To release these 4 bolts, I can take the box right out. So I'll give you an idea. That will give you an idea on what I have on the wall, because the studs are in different locations. I had to mount these plates with a long bolt. We have these brackets that are adjustable left and right, I mean front and back, so that depending on the distance of your bars, you see those blocks here, 27.5 is going to be right in the middle. I'm just going to remove these straps first. I'm going to use a different approach. I'm going to mount the brackets first on the box and then I'm going to install it on the roof racks. As you can see from these instructions, you have to use the bolt with the plate run it through the roof racks, and the second bolt is going to tighten this bracket. So I'm going to start with this one first. You can see you have two holes, not these two, the one that are inside. And first bracket, I want to center it with this. So see, my bolt is going to be in the center of this because I know I have 27.5 from this center to that center. I'm going to use my nut. The second bolt without the plate is going to be on the second hole like this with the nut. Leave them loose for now. Okay, do the same for all the other ones. Oh, this is easier than I thought. Just slide it like this, find the right spot. I'm gonna have mine in the middle, just because it looks better and I can reach the long arms. 2, 11. 11. And a half. Yeah, that will be my center right now. All I have left is to tighten the bolts. They have these nice butterflies. I'm going to tighten first those plates, or plated bolts. I'm not going to use these plastic covers because the bolts are not passing the butterfly nuts. So it works like this. You close it, lock it, all secure. If you want to open it, remove those caps, use your key. Right. Push these two red pins. There you go. Locked. Press. Press. So I got the bolts with the flanges at the front as per factory specifications, in the front and in the back too. And the box is centered both ways, and this is how it is going to look. Almost flush with the back and a bit in front. Absolutely love it. test. 60 kilometers an hour, super fine. I cannot hear anything. No, nothing. And it's empty. Now you have to remember there is a speed limit on this box. You cannot go over 130 kilometers an hour. 60, fine, no noise. 70, fine. 80, yeah, I can hear something. It's fine. It's not noisy. So guys, I couldn't post the video without testing the assembly, so I went on the ultimate Canadian road trip. I passed the mountains from British Columbia to Alberta, and I covered 2,530 kilometers in 3 days, and I have to admit that I was very pleased and surprised to notice that my average consumption was 8.4 liter per 100 kilometers. Super happy with this vehicle. And as you can see, this is the condition of the vehicle after this road trip is completely covered in bugs. One other modification that I did with the cargo box is I added those self-adhesive chair pads, just so I can create a separation between the lead and the base, because I noticed that the lead was vibrating on the base and creating an annoying noise. Now I'm super happy with the assembly. Yeah guys, so I'm super happy with these two purchases. Absolutely love them both. Practical, good looking, and I always like to buy genuine parts from that specific manufacturer, because you know, they think about the design, they think about functionality, they think about everything. So I'm super happy with my purchase. So guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.